Ever wanted to download faster than your internet can keep up? Or maybe you're tired of buffering ruining your streaming binge? Well, you're not alone. Today we're diving into the ultimate showdown, Real Debrid versus Torbox. Stick around to find out which one's worth your time or if both are just another meh moment of the internet. Let's kick things off with Real Debrid. This is a subscription-based service that's all about making your downloads smooth and fast, like the internet equivalent of upgrading from a bicycle to a Ferrari. It gives you access to premium links from all sorts of file hosters, meaning no more waiting around or low quality streaming. Real Debrid works seamlessly with media players like Kodi and Streamo, and if you're someone who's been frustrated by buffering, this might just be your new best friend. The downside, well, it's not an app. It's a service that plugs into other platforms, but if you can deal with that, it's pure gold for streaming buffs. Now let's talk about Torbox, a cloud torrenting and downloading service got that's got privacy written all over it. Imagine downloading and streaming files without your internet provider peeking over your shoulder. Torbox stores your files in the cloud, meaning your download history is locked up tighter than a drum. Plus, you can stream directly from your browser or through apps like Streamo, all from the cloud. It's perfect for people who download huge files or need a cloud-based media library. But if you're just after a blazing streaming speeds, Real Debrid might still be the champ. So, should you choose Real Debrid or Torbox? If you want lightning fast downloads and don't mind using media apps like Kodi, Real Debrid's your go-to. But if you're big on torrents, cloud storage, and keeping your downloads private, Torbox wins. As always, it depends on your needs, but hey, no matter what you choose, make sure you're not stuck in buffering hell. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the next comparison. See you next time.